Hey guys, we're at NMW with Dominic from Darkly Labs.
Hey guys.
What have you got? What are all the different materials you've got here?
Oh, we've got a really good sample of what the Emblaser can work with. We've got aluminium. This is stainless steel.
Is that cut?
That's laser cut, but not with our machine.
Oh,
But
okay.
it's engraved with a material called Spectramark,
Yep.
which gets sprayed on.
And does that scratch off?
No, it's permanently bonded to the surface of the material. That's a common.
That's engraved with the Emblaser.
It's engraved with the Emblaser. We also have a mirror material. So this is a mirror acrylic. So the Emblaser engraves the back of the
That's
back
clever.
of the material.
So you do it on the back,
Do it on the
reverse.
back, and you end up with a nice result.
Yeah.
We have some clear acrylic.
I thought you couldn't cut clear acrylic on the Emblaser.
We can't cut, but we can engrave. And we've sprayed a paint on the back, and we've engraved onto the paint and then washed it off.
So you did the paint with this as well?
Yes, this is a special paint purely for metals, and this is just any off-the-shelf paint that you can buy from any hardware store. This is our pine that we've depth engraved. So we've been experimenting with getting some really good depth out of our engravings. So this is using a grayscale image that basically the darker part of the image gets a deeper engrave and the lighter part gets a shallower engrave. So this will be a black and white image with the black parts being the parts of the maze. So you can get some quite neat results. I'm not sure how well you can see it.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. That's crazy.
And yeah, this is one of the most popular display items we have on the show.
Wow.
We have a traditional acrylic, so we can cut. The Emblaser can cut and engrave onto opaque materials, opaque acrylics.
So this machine has cut all these acrylics?
Exactly. Yep, and engraved. So these are 3mm opaque acrylics, and yeah, we just see some of the samples.
And how many passes to cut these acrylics?
Depends on the colour. The black would probably take 2 passes, and the other colours would probably be about 3 passes to cut through. We have some anodized metal here. So this is anodized aluminium.
Yeah.
And we can
Cut?
basically, you can't cut metals, but you can remove the anodizings. This is just all different types of materials. We have lots of users that ask us about cutting glitter and different types of paper. You can see how delicate this paper is, so we can control the power quite accurately.
So that's paper, yeah. What about fabrics?
Fabrics we can cut. We've got some different materials in here.
Felt, yeah.
We have felt as well in here somewhere. There we go. We've got some felt. Felt cuts really well.
Yep.
Very nice to cut. Gives you a nice, very clean finish on the felt.
Cool.
Really popular for craft work.
Nice. And what's this over here? Oh, a keyboard. Is that what? So
this is a laminate that we've cut and engraved with the Emblaser. So you can see the letters engraved on
that's
there.
stunning.
This is our elephant.
Oh yeah?
Which this is made from 6mm poplar.
So you 6mm and you've cut that on the Emblaser. How many passes?
This will take about 3 passes to cut through. This is a wood called laser friendly ply, so it's designed for laser cutting, which makes it really easy to cut with the laser.
Nice.
We also have, this is an example of some photo engraving we've done on the laser. So this is a piece of MDF, and we've basically engraved some photos on it. So this
and you've cut that as well.
We've cut this out, yeah.
Okay. And what's new in the Emblaser?
We have a workspace camera. So our camera is in the back of the machine here.
Oh yeah.
And we have a piece of software called Lightburn that we work with now. We can put my iPhone in here. Let's say we've put it on an unusual angle.
Yeah.
We can capture the phone.
Whoa.
And if we were, let's say we wanted to engrave this square onto it, just a simple example, we can align it to our material nice and easily.
Hey Dominic, thanks man. Thanks to Darkly Labs and Emblaser too. Check it out guys.